Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the router is broadcasting a 5 GHz Wi-Fi network. This is a different band than 4 GHz, so it appears as a separate SSID. Once done, unlock your Samsung A12 and open Settings, then tap Connections and Wi-Fi. Make sure Wi-Fi is toggled on so the phone scans nearby networks. You want to spot the 5 GHz SSID name from your router. It may include 5G or 5 GHz in its name. You now select the 5 GHz SSID shown in the list. Make sure the label or frequency indicates 5 GHz if many networks appear. Tap the network, then enter the exact Wi-Fi password. Passwords are case-sensitive, so type carefully and use the show icon to verify. Once you press connect, the phone negotiates security and gets an IP. If the SSID is hidden, choose Add Network, type the SSID, pick the security type, and enter the password to join manually. You finish by confirming the phone shows the 5 GHz Wi-Fi icon and an IP address under the network details. Then open a website or app to verify internet access. If it connects but no internet appears, forget the network in Wi-Fi settings and reconnect with the password to reset credentials. If the phone cannot see the 5 GHz SSID, move closer to the router, ensure 5 GHz is enabled in router settings, or reboot the router and your A12. These steps usually resolve common radio or DHCP issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.